In the course of the design of safety instrumented systems, it often makes sense to group instruments together. And that in grouping them together in ways other than just the safety instrumented function. Obviously, a safety instrumented function is a grouping of sensors, logic solvers, and final elements. But in some cases, you may want to collect instruments together into other groups, such as for major pieces of equipment, or for plant sections, or plants as a whole. The methodology for doing that in Vertigo is called IPF groups. If you want to view the IPF groups, you can click on the View button and select IPF groups. When you do that, it will give you a list of all the IPF groups, and you can see this list of IPF groups for the sample study that we're looking at. If I wanted to add a new IPF, obviously I could click on the Add New IPF button, or I can also edit it by clicking on the IPF. Now, the IPF group details only includes a tag number and a description. So this is going to be major pieces of equipment for the sake of the sample study. You'll see USC 105, multivariable safety controller 105 is the IPF group, and the description would be the liquid export pipeline. So in this case, we're grouping all of our instruments together in terms of major pieces of equipment, which is a common practice, especially for offshore oil and gas production. But there's no reason that you can't group things together, like sulfur plant being the tag, and then the description also would be sulfur plant then. So this is just a way that you can group things together, and you're going to be able to use these IPF groups later and use these for sorting and filtering of things like cause and effect diagrams or test planning activities.